We have laser scanned Heritage Cottage and we are producing a 3D digital model. This would be good for a number of reasons. We'll have a model showing the size of the building, how it looks like, which will be very good for undertaking tests so we actually understand the measurements of each room, the volumes of spaces, etc., in order that we can actually have a really good basis for the other tests we're going to carry out. But the 3D model is also good for interpretation purposes. In the future, people can visit Heritage Cottage online and see what it looks like today. And once we've carried out a lot more work to this model, we can actually show people how it looked many years ago, when it was first built, for example, in 1853. But from this 3D digital model, we're also going to produce what we call a building information model. Some people call it from scan to BIM. And this building information model will have many different layers of very rich information. And so we're looking at various different types of building information modelling here. We're looking at eBIM, existing building information modelling. We're looking at HBIM with that historical and cultural information into the building information model. And all this is quite different to the way we understand building information modelling today, which is normally based upon knowledge around new construction. With building information modelling, it's not just modelling, but it's management as well. And it's a way in which we can coordinate the great deal of information we are accumulating on Heritage Cottage so we can manage it much better and help manage the whole project.